guys, it's May 26, 2020. Today we're going to call for water leaking in the basement underneath the bathroom. I have worked at this house before, and it's got real old water piping in this house. That's paper thin, so I'm thinking it might be a pinhole in a water pipe spraying up against the ceiling type of thing. I'm not sure, but it's an older gent. I think he's almost 90, this guy. So, they gave me the information. I gotta go by there. He definitely won't be down in the basement with me because he's older. I mean, so, try to get you some shots if I can. I know the guy's family well. I have worked for him before a few times, so. Molly's got no sweater on today. Got no sweater on, Miss Molly. Looks like he ripped up my card, didn't he? We'll have to do the same to him. Ripped up my card, I'll do the same to him. So, how's that feel? Anyway, I got water here. Oh yeah. Looks like it's coming down through the floor. Yeah, it's coming down through the floor from up top. That's a sink. That's a sink upstairs. It's definitely something's wet up here. It might be inside the wall. Great. There's pipes in the wall. I think that's for the kitchen sink too. Not good. Let's try running the faucet. I think they shut the water off downstairs because I don't see any water coming in here. They must have shut the water off. The water's off downstairs. Sink's on the other side of this, so. They shut the water off right here. We gotta turn it back on and find out what's leaking. Oh, I could see it. It's right there. See it leaking, spraying right out. It's the faucet riser. Can you see it? I see it. You see it spraying? Yeehaw. See if I can mark it right where it's spraying. Right there. Should be able to cut it right there. Put a coupling on there maybe. And then resolder it. We'll use a Delta tube on it and fix that. I gotta cut that out. I got a Delta tube I can put in there. Let's see if we can. I don't know how long this thing's been leaking, but water's off right now. This has to come out. I don't know how long it's been leaking, but it's been a while. It's flooded. This place is flooded. Feels like Noah's Ark in here. Put a new riser on there, and it'll be good enough for this neighborhood. Now we want to cut above. I'll cut up here somewhere. This is one of those jobs where it's a patch and match, mama. Guy's old and do what you can. Get it fixed for him. That's what you call it, patch and match. I'll put it, this is, I got what they call a Delta tube. I'll show you what it is in a minute. I think I'm through. I think I'm through. Yeah. That's the part that's leaking. Leak there somewhere. This is a Delta tube. It's got a compression fitting on there, and I'll have to cut it. And I got a ferrule and a nut for the bottom, right? So it's a ferrule and a nut on the top. That's what they call a Delta tube. 3/8. So we'll fit a piece up in there and tighten it up. Not in the ferrule up top. Well, this stuff, you always want to put piped up on a ferrule. It'll make it go a lot easier. Always. The same thing with this end. So you want to be a plumber. You might have to grab it with 2 wrenches, but you can see how it's... so I'm not too worried about it. It should be. Yeah, I gotta grab it with 2 wrenches. It's a compression nut, so you gotta tighten it. It's just a flipping shit show. There's a pinhole leak somewhere. I don't know. It was pissing right out. See what happens. I don't see it leaking. I mean, this thing is just soaked. I don't see it dripping. Got the Delta tube up in there tight. That should be alright. I did wipe in there the best I could with the towel. Put all this shit back underneath there. Soaked up as much as I could with the towel. Alright guys, it's going to take a while to dry out. I wiped it up the best I could, but it will dry out. It's been leaking for a while. You can see all this water. It will dry out. This water's back up and running.